case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a pivotal case that put a spotlight on the American Disabilities Act, ADA, Terrianne Lowe, a teacher suffering from post-polio syndrome, filed a lawsuit against her former employer, Independent School District No. 1. Ms. Lowe argued that the school district, failing to adequately provide accommodations for her disability, violated the ADA and ultimately compelled her to resign. Notably, the crux of the complaint lay in the school district's alleged failure to engage in an interactive process to determine effective job adjustments for Ms. Lowe's disability. She had presented a list of possible adaptations, none of which were explored by the superintendent before assigning her to a teaching position that worsened her condition. Despite Ms. Lowe's compelling plea, the district court dismissed her claims, siding with the school district. Undeterred, Ms. Lowe pressed on, appealing the decision before the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit. Taking into account the particulars of the case, the appellate court did not concur with the lower court's summary judgment. The circuit court concluded that there were, in fact, substantial questions at play regarding the school district's adherence to the ADA and its obligations to provide a reasonable accommodation. The court recognized the severity of Ms. Lowe's constructive discharge claim, stressing that the heart of the issue was whether a person with her condition, under such circumstances, had any realistic choice other than resignation. With these factors brought to light, the circuit court ruled that the prior summary judgment was flawed and overturned it. The episode, far from concluded, was sent back for further deliberation. Indeed, the critical question of whether Ms. Lowe's former employer had violated the Americans with Disabilities Act remained on the table, inviting another chapter in this riveting legal saga.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class